Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a spiderweb tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy this, and as of now I am putting on a highlighter. I'm just really lightly tapping it on, and as I get to my cheekbone here, I'm going to start tapping it slightly and rolling it throughout the edges. I'm going to go in with my Ben Nye powder in Banana and set under my eyes first, just so that doesn't crease. You might see this in a lot of my videos. I've been using this for years. Fun fact, it's great for SFX makeup, and it's used a lot for drag makeup, and it's like my go-to powder for everything. Now I'm going to take my Krylon paint in Clown White and this angled brush here, kind of line my eye just like a regular eyeliner, and then extend the wing of my cat eye. The great thing about oil-based paints is that it's ready to go, it's easy to use, it doesn't need to be activated with water, so it doesn't dry up and crust on you and fall out on your face. So it's fairly very easy to use, but one thing I would like to add is that you do need to powder your face. If you're having a Halloween event or any event, it will rub off, it will melt off, so just make sure to give your face a little tap with your finger and see if it comes off. If it comes off, it just means you need to just powder it just a little bit more. So I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Brilliance in Silver, and I'm going to go over everything that I've created with my white paint. So I made my 4 points, my 4 main points on the web, and to get from A to B, from one point to another, the easiest thing I would do is make a point in the middle, which I will show you in a second. It's just easier to do instead of going just straight across, because I caught myself actually almost doing that. So yeah, you see right here I stopped because I'm like, oh, it's going straight, so I make a little point right there. Now I'm just making it curved, just making sure I'm curving it just like that. Once you get closer to your eye into the center, it does get a little bit harder, so don't beat yourself up if you can't exactly get a curve there. I'm taking my custom rhinestone palette and taking the white rhinestones and placing them in the center points of my web. Taking my MAC Reflex in transparent teal and putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to finish up the other side of my eye on the bottom, so on the opposite side. I'm just doing little touch-ups with this and moving it more to the center of my eye as well. I'm going in with my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going in with that shade and putting it in the corner of my eyes. I'm going to take my NARS liner in Morocco, just line my lips, and then my MAC Satin shade in Cherish. I'm just powdering everything except the highlights I created earlier. I'm going to take that taupey shade in that palette. I believe that's my Naked 2 palette. And I like using taupey shades to make shadows. Right now I'm creating shadows. You don't necessarily have to do this. I just like doing this. It's one of my few touches that I just have to do. But yeah, a great tip for creating shadows is kind of pretend like there's a light coming from, let's say, under your chin or the top side of your right eyebrow. Like you could imagine the shadows that it will cast. If you can't necessarily imagine that, go ahead and try it. Get a flashlight or use your phone and try that out. Experiment with it. Now I'm going to take a really fine detailed brush. This I got from Amazon. It came in a pack of 4. And I just dipped this in a black powder and I'm putting it right in between the white and the taupey color that I just applied. And don't be afraid if it comes out pretty sharp, because I'm going to take a clean flat brush and just kind of blend it out better. And voila! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are watching right now, like, subscribe, and please stay tuned for more Halloween looks. If you are doing this look for Halloween, please tag me. I would love to see your recreation of this look, and have a safe and fun Halloween, guys.